You ready?
Yeah. I'm a chef, ready to cook.
Open this.
Purple ball, tomatoes,
And then we have,
cutting board,
and what do we need to cut it?
a knife,
Chop.
chop, yellow corn, green broccoli, a tomato, crunchy carrot, yellow little pink side.
Okay, we're gonna turn it on.
Turning on.
Chop, chop, chop.
Hi, little chef. Let's make something tasty. Green broccoli. Oh, yeah.
Put it back together. Drop some veggies in me. Put it in. More?
Did it. Thanks, little chef.
Thank you. Number dial.
2. Thanks, little chef.
Broccoli.
Sure. Put it in.
Red, green, red, green. Let's make veggie
You want to make veggie soup?
Let's make
Veggie soup.
veggie soup.
Let's make veggie soup.
Tomato from cutting board knife.
The tomato in.
You did it.
Yay.
Thanks, little chef.
Sorry.
Let's make spaghetti sauce.
Spaghetti?
Press the red veggie.
This one.
Yellow. Press. Perfect.
Drop it in.
You see next. Crank up the heat.
Crank up the heat.
Turn the number dial.
4 to 4. Go. All the way to 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Now stir when I say stir and stop when I say stop.
Okay, stir.
Ready? Stir.
Stir.
Something smells delicious.
Flat down. Cardboard
And hold the knife
knife.
down. Chop it down. Make rainbow soup. Drop it in. Stir.
You did it.
Yay.
You made rainbow soup.
I made
Cooking
rainbow
is
soup.
music to my ears.
We made spaghetti sauce and rainbow soup.
Let's make corn on the cob.
Let's make corn on the cob.
Chop the corn
Chop
and
the corn.
drop it in.
Chop the corn and drop it in.
Chop the delicious. Next, crank up the heat.
Turn it to 2. Go to 2.
2.
Yay! Corn on the cob. Press the yellow veggie button. Yellow one.
Press the yellow
Yes.
veggie button. Oh yeah! Now we're cooking.
You want to drop some vegetables?
We'll drop some vegetables.
Okay, we can do it later then.
First, chop the carrot and drop it in.
Okay. Chop the
We'll
carrot.
in.
Okay.
Chop the carrot and drop it in.
We'll drop the in.
Okay. What are you making?
Broccoli.
Do you like your cooking pot?
Yes. Yes.
Did you say thank you to mommy?
Thank you.
You have to look at mom and say,
That's a corn.
that is
That's
corn.